Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and can you ever have enough charging cables? I don't think so. I want to show you this one. This is the Apple USB to Lightning cable, and this is the short 0.5 meter, so it's like 1.5 feet long, and this is the perfect little size that I love to have for charging my phone when I'm at a desk, so I can put it into a little USB dock and not have a ton of extra cord that's just going to get tangled up and be in my way. So this is the perfect little short size for things like that, and of course it's a good quality. This is from Apple, so it's great for use with your Apple products. And it has really held up super well. So if you're looking for a little short cable to charge your phone or other Lightning devices, then I would definitely check this one out. I've been super happy with it, and that's my point of view.